26B. I can explain how specific needs result in scientific discoveries and technological innovations in agriculture. So basically, as needs arise, you can explain what has to be developed in agriculture in order to basically fix those needs, right? So here you need to know the McCormick plow, the still plow, refrigeration, and barbed wire helps in agriculture. We can now plow the fields faster because we have the McCormick plow and the still plow. So we can mass produce agriculture at a faster pace. Refrigeration. Think about all the things that we have to use for a refrigerator today. Once they develop this refrigeration, we now have produce and stuff last longer because of this refrigeration. And then we kind of already talked about the barbed wire and the fact that we have cattle now and that we can keep them corralled and we can butcher them and send out the meat as needed. The question for this one is barbed wire, refrigeration, still plow, and McCormick reaper. Which of the following describes the significance of the technological innovations featured above? A. Industrialization spread to urban areas. B. Agricultural production increased to meet the demands of a growing population. C. Native American populations were granted lands rich in resources and fertile soil. And D. Prices increased in food due to overproduction. The correct answer here is B. Agricultural production increased to meet the demands of a growing population. Because we have a growing population, we had to develop technology that would help us mass produce agriculture to help feed the population. So all these things do that. A is incorrect because industrialization spread to urban areas. It's not a result of these. This helped with agriculture. C, Native American populations were granted lands rich in resource and fertile soil. No, we took the Native Americans' land away so that way we could farm it with the Homestead Act. So therefore, this is incorrect. D, prices increased in food due to overproduction. And that is not true as well.